If your Epic Games Launcher is acting slow, glitchy, or won't load properly, clearing the cache is one of the easiest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear cache in Epic Games step by step, safely and quickly, so you can get the launcher working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. This part matters because if the launcher is still running in the background, Windows may not let you delete the cache files properly. To do this, look down at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the Epic Games icon, right-click it, and then choose Exit. Give it a moment to fully shut down before moving on. Now that the launcher is closed, we need to go to the folder where Epic stores its local app data. The fastest way to get there is by using the Run Dialog. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. A small box will pop up on your screen. This is where you can quickly open system folders by typing a path. In the Run box, type %local app data %, exactly like that, and then press Enter or click OK. Windows will take you directly into your local app data folder. From here, you're looking for the Epic Games Launcher files. Next, open the folder called Epic Games Launcher. Inside that folder, open the saved folder. This is where Epic keeps a lot of temporary and cached files that can sometimes become corrupted or outdated over time. Once you're inside the saved folder, look for folders with names like Webcache, Webcache_4147, or Webcache_4430. These are the cache folders you want to remove. If you see one or more of them, go ahead and delete them. You can right-click each one and choose Delete, or select them and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Don't worry if you only see one cache folder and not all of them. Different versions of the launcher may create different web cache folder names, so just delete the ones that are there. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes to continue. After that, you're done with the cache cleanup. The next time you launch Epic Games, it will rebuild fresh cache files automatically. That often helps fix loading problems, login issues, blank screens, missing images, or launcher performance issues. If the launcher was open before, make sure to start it again and check whether the issue is fixed. In many cases, this simple cache reset is enough to get Epic Games running smoothly again. And that's how to clear cache in Epic Games on Windows. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, gaming fixes, and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.